First, we'll open the glove box. Once the glove box is taken down, notice inside on top there are 4 tabs right there. There's one tab right here, second, third, and fourth. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to press and hold these tabs one by one. Just press the tab like that I'm doing and then pull it downwards. First one is pulled out, and while holding it like that, we'll just press the other tabs and pull the cover out. There's the second tab pulled out. There we got the third tab taken out as well. With the third tab, the fourth one just came out by itself. Now we will just lift up and pull out this plastic cover. There you would see the plastic cover is taken down. Once the plastic cover is taken down, notice behind there's the position for the cabin air filter right there. It has these 2 tabs, one tab at the bottom and the other tab at the top. Just press down both of these tabs one by one. Top one is pulled. Bottom one pulled out as well. Now we grab both the tabs and then pull out the cover. And that is how we take out the cabin air filter for this car. This filter actually comes like this with the plastic cover surrounding the filter itself. In my case, the cabin air filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure there is an arrow sign at the front. That arrow sign should be pointing towards downwards. We'll go ahead and punch in the filter where we took it out from, making sure it is completely in. Filter is in. Make sure the top tab is completely in. Also making sure the bottom tab is in place. Once the filter is completely in, now we'll go ahead and punch in this top cover. Just make sure there are some tabs behind, like 4 tabs right here. Make sure this side actually ends up going first. So we'll go ahead and punch it inside that position. Pay attention at the tabs at the very end, and we make sure they are in completely. And notice all of those tabs behind are completely in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the tabs at the top. Once in, then we double check to see all tabs are completely in place. The cover seems completely in and it's perfectly fine. Now we are good to close the glove box. With that, we are done with the replacement of cabin air filter for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.